Hey party friends, it's Latoya from Hanging with the Kiddos. Are you looking for a super cute Easter craft that's quick, easy, and totally kid approved? Today I'm showing you how to make these adorable bunny cups using Canva and Cricut's print and cut. Perfect for Easter parties, school treats, or just fun with the kiddos. Let's hop right in. So the first thing you want to do is open Canva and create a custom page size. We want our page size to be 6.6 by 7.4 inches. You can either upload your own bunny image or head on over to Elements, Graphics, and search bunny. Pick the one that you like, add it to your page, and resize it to a 2.14 inches wide. Canva will auto adjust the height for you. Next, you can go up to the color tab and select any color that you want the bunny and tail to be. Now it's time for the fun part. Click on text, choose a fun font, and type in your child's name. Resize it to fit inside the bunny's body. I like placing it right under the head. You can fit up to 6 bunnies on this page for Cricut print and cut. Just group the bunny and name together, then duplicate. You can change the colors or names or leave some blank for extras. Once your page is ready, go up to Share, then Download, select PNG, and make sure you click on Transparent Image. If you don't have Canva Pro, no worries, you can remove the background in Cricut Design Space. Now, I did increase the image size just because sometimes when you upload it in Design Space, the resolution can be too low, so I'm going to increase the size to avoid that. Head on over to Design Space, click on Upload, then Upload Image, and select your file. If you need to, you can remove the background here. We're going to select the flat graphic option. So once it's on your canvas, Cricut is probably going to say that the image is too large. Click on the red warning and select Auto Resize. So now we're ready to make it. So we can click Make at the top. You can choose to save this project. Over here, you can make sure that your material size is correct, and we're going to be printing on 8.5 by 11 paper, and it's a print then cut. So we can select Continue, select your machine, then we're going to send to printer. We're going to turn off the bleed, and we're going to select Use System Dialog. Then pick your printer, set the paper type to photo or glossy, and the quality to best or normal depending on your sticker paper. I'm going to be using this Koala's glossy vinyl sticker paper. Once it's done, just peel the bunny stickers off, stick them on your cup, and hot glue the pom-pom to the tail. You can also print your labels out using our glossy paper sheets to make gift tags. I just use a hole punch to punch a hole in one of the ears. Then I tie the tags to treat bags with some cute ribbon. Alright, I think the gift tags and the cup labels came out super cute. Let me know what you think in the comments. I hope you all found the video helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when we post more DIYs. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye!